Hey guys, Donnie here from Big Drone Flyer 77. When we come back, got the DJI Mavic Air. It's the Fly More combo right after this. Hey, welcome back guys. Hey, I'm with the DJI Mavic Air, the Fly More combo. So I wanted to kind of get everything out of the box so we weren't digging in the box. This was already flown once when I got it. A friend of mine that wants to stay anonymous, it just wasn't for him. He flew it once and it just wasn't his thing, so he's more of a ground vehicle guy. So anyways, that gave me the opportunity to be able to take this thing off his hands and be able to show you guys a little more about the Mavic Air. So the Fly More combo is actually pretty cool, guys. You got this nice little handy pouch right here that it's a hard case that holds the Mavic Air. So you got the Mavic Air in here. So let me get that out of there. Got the Mavic Air. You got 4 propeller guards, which I haven't used or even tried putting them on. So everything's here. It did come with manuals. So wherever it was ordered, there was no English manual. So that was the only thing on this. It was all in different languages, so which is fine because that's what YouTube's for. Hey, I was able to see a lot of your guys' videos and know more about this. But I wanted to show you what came inside the Fly More combo. Right here you got extra sets of propellers. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 extra sets of propellers inside here. You got different cables for the OTG cable that Mavic Air comes with on the controller, so you connect directly now instead of like the DJI Spark. That one was you can do OTG cable, but it doesn't come already with the nice clean setup as you'll see on the controller here in just a minute. So it does give you a few extra cables here. Got the C cable, and then you got the one that's just like the regular little Android phone right here. The one I'm using is like the Samsung Galaxy, like the newer phones. If any of you guys have one of those Android phones, and then there's a little adapter that it comes with. You clip on there, and this connects into the controller, and it's just a nice clean version. It connects right to the phone or your tablet if you have it on there. So it's pretty nice. It gives you some extra cables like that for whatever product you have. I believe that is, and we got some more adapter pieces. This is another, so you can charge right here. What else do we have in here? Oh, we got extra, that's right, we got extra toggles too. So you got the ones, you actually have 4 of these, so 2 that are on the controller and 2 that are spares. So let me put this back in here. I didn't want to go through the whole process. I know there's a lot of these videos out here, so I'm not going to go over the Go4 app and all that stuff right now. I just want to show you what was in the Fly More combo. You got the controller, of course, right here, which looks a lot like the Spark controller. So, and kind of like half between the Mavic Pro controller. I know I don't have a Mavic Pro, but it didn't come with telemetry on here, which is fine with me. You just go on the Go4 app. If you already have a DJI item, all you have to do is just connect to the Go4 app if you're already signed up, and then select your device, which is the Mavic Air for this one. But on this, it's a pretty clean setup on here. You can see I hooked up that little adapter that they provide here, so that way I could connect to my Android phone that I have. I have an LG phone, so this connects right in and works really well. Like I said, you have those extra cables for whatever phone you have. They have it all set up there. So on here, you guys got the toggle switches, which is really nice because if you don't want to take this Fly More combo bag, then you want to carry this in a backpack or something. You don't have to worry about these toggle switches getting banged around or, you know, wrecking anything on that. So it makes it really nice. I just like this clean setup that they have right here. So makes it really nice. And if you have of course, if you have a iPhone, it's going to work a lot better than an Android phone. But I haven't had any problems. I took it for a flight, and I had no problems at all. The Wi-Fi had very, very minimum breakup using that cable straight to the phone. Just one little tiny glitch, and I think I was about a little over half a mile away, and I had no problems. About 3,000 feet. You do have 3 batteries, one already that's on here. The stickers are already off. It comes with detailed stickers. This one did not come off yet. You can see it's still brand new. That is for the gimbal guard, which is really easy. Just pop that off like that with these 2 little clips right here. And then you got the gimbal right here. It has another sticker telling you more information about the battery, but here's the battery. And this is real easy. To get the battery off, you'll have to open it up. You always want to swing the back legs out first. Then you can swing the outer legs. And then don't forget, guys, this has the antenna. A lot of you guys who are into these products already know that it has the antennas for the legs right there. So then you got where your SD card, and then you got your jack to get your pictures off of here, because and you can't charge through here. That's the only other thing too. You can't charge through here like you could with the Spark. So, you know, this is just to pull your pictures off, or do a, you know, to get in the firmware, but it's mostly just to get the pictures off, guys. You know, so it's got 8 gigabytes of storage, internal storage in here, so that way you guys can go and, you know, in case you forget a memory card. And if you don't want the pictures that are already on there, then you can go and just reformat it and erase that 8 G of memory, and then you can start off fresh if you don't have a memory card, and record again. Then they give you a cable so you can connect to your computer or your laptop or whatever. So I am going to put this back on because I don't want nothing to happen to the gimbal, which is pretty nice. Real easy. The battery's really nice. Just pull these 2 clips right here. Battery comes right out. They leave these little red marks on here, so that way you know when it does connect, those red marks should not be there anymore. So it makes it really nice. Slide that in there, pop it in. You can hear it clip. No red there. So it's in there. So, but they give you a list of stickers, tell you which ones unfold out. You know, they give you a lot of detail in these. So let's see. So you got the charging cables. This is the main part of the charger right here, and then this just plugs in the side right here. With this Flymore package, like I said, you get 3 batteries. There's a second one, and here's the third one. It also gives you this charging station right here, which is nice. So if you have one of these, you don't know what this is for, this actually unfolds like this. So that way you can go and set, you just got to line up the battery right here with this male end right here, and it will just sit down in there like so. So you could put up to 4 batteries in here. Then you just plug it in with this piece right here. This just plugs in on the bottom down here, guys. See right here, right on the bottom, this just plugs in, and then you just run the wire right through, and then you can go plug it in. And what makes it nice is I even charge my phone on here, so you can put the cable right here as well. They provide you with another cable. Hey, sorry about that, guys. I had to pause you for a second. I wanted to get that cable so I could show you. It's that newer style cable, so you can plug it in either way in the Galaxy series phones, so Samsung phones. So, you know, this right here, you can go and put this adapter on here. That way you can go, and you can put it either way, and you can go and charge your mobile device that has this style, so like your regular old Android phones. Or you can also just plug it in right here and charge the controller as well. It'll just plug right in, and then you can charge the controller by having this plugged in. And then it goes right into the USB port, and then you can charge the cable, the controller. So then you can run whatever USB cable that you have for whatever other device, run it through here and charge your other device as well. So that makes it nice. I want to show you guys something else. Let me put this stuff back in here, and then I want to show you another way you can carry your Mavic Air without keeping it out of the case, because a lot of guys are just folding it up and setting it right on top in here. I mean, you could do that, or you can still have extra protection by keeping it in this case and still being able to put in the Fly More combo bag. So I want to show you guys that in just 1 minute here. Alright guys, hey, before I go to a quick flight, I'm just going to do a quick little flight. I'm not going to go over the controls or anything like that. I'm just going to show you a flight, and then later on I could do a video to show you guys more of the steps that I use for like my settings for filming and things like that. I did want to show you with this, I don't see anybody ever using this. This is actually a pocket on the side, guys. So you can either take your extra propellers, you can unzip this unzips. You can either put your spare propellers in here, zip it back up, and then you can take the Mavic Air out of here. Let's see, zip it here. Take the Mavic Air out of here, and I see people setting it right on top, like so. And then they go and zip it up from here, and away you go, which is fine. But me, I want extra protection because I don't want nothing to happen to this. Even though people get insurance on these, I haven't got an insurance on this one yet. But I rather have the extra protection just in case I drop the bag for some reason. You know, it happens to everybody. You know, you either drop something happens, or somebody hits it. Who knows? But you can keep it in here, okay? You can go and take your propellers, put them up here on top. That's the way it comes when you end up opening the box. It comes just like this. So you can zip this up, have that all zipped in there, zip up your Mavic Air. And then what I found is that you can actually open this up like so. You can see how much room I got in there now. There's one of those things that keeps everything dry. I still kind of keep it in there because there's a lot of moisture here where I'm living over by the ocean. So you can actually put that in there and zip this up, okay? And away you go, guys. You know, you could travel just like so. So that way you got everything in there. You got your extra props. You got the extra protection because now it's in the hard case now. So you can put it on the side, guys. I'm not too sure. Someone might have showed that. I haven't seen it yet, but you can put it on the side. I think that's what that's intended for. So extra storage, or you can put the whole case in there. So that makes it nice, guys. All right, I took up enough of your guys' time. Let's go and take this thing for a flight so you can see, you know, how it performs. A lot of you guys will take off in the auto mode for your film settings, which is fine for beginning, but later on when you get used to the drone, you'll want to go and change that to manual. We'll go through that later on in other videos. So let's go to a flight, guys. Stay tuned.